How to install Google Chrome in Windows. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very clean and easy step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So you may follow out this method for that. So we can open up Edge or any other browser that you have currently. By default, a browser will be set on your device. So just go over and open it up. For example, Edge or anything else, if it comes pre-installed. After that, we can directly go over and just go over and in the search, type in google.com/Chrome and hit enter. And you will be taken to this site here, right here, with an option called Download Chrome. So go over and select this option called Download Chrome and click on it, and you can accept and install it. It will be providing you with an .exe file. You can open up the file location like this, and you can just go over and double click on it and finish the installation. Windows will ask permission for that. You need to give the access. After that, go ahead and install it like this and wait for the download to be completed, and Chrome will install automatically. It opens by itself when it's done. You can just go over and follow out this method for that. Now, once it is installed, if you want to make Chrome your default browser, what we can do is we can just go over and open up your Chrome and look out for the three dots in the top and select it, and select the option of settings there. And within settings, go over, look out for default section here, and in default browser, select this option called make default and make it default, and that will do it. You can restart your PC once it is done. And that is it, everybody. You can follow out this method in order to install Google Chrome very easily on your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.